16th of October, market is just open. We are pushing higher. Nasdaq is pushing as well. Russell. All indices are going up. We'll try to get along here.
Order
We can. Delta is pushing. The first decent push, 11 points. I tried to short this a few times, but it wasn't giving a proper composition for shorts, so I was basically thinking about this trapped longs here. We have just got to that point where we have a trapped longs, and let's see how far we're gonna go on this push. 87. These longs are trapped up to here. It's yesterday's high. Was it yesterday's high? No.
order cancelled.
Oh, that's yesterday's open. I need to switch this into just, yeah. Today's open is here. We have internal gap over here. Sixteenth of October. They say that the end of October is bullish. So maybe in the second half of October we'll get bullish. Yeah. But we do have this trapped buyers here from yesterday. I mean from Friday. And they are going to, they're getting out right now. Then we have this level as well of trap buyers. So pretty much all the way up we have trap buyers. This could actually repeat the same behaviors on Friday when we tried to push a couple of times and then basically drop. And then we could drop somewhere here to close this internal gap. Okay, so we are breaking down a little bit. That was just the first trial. Usually we have another one. So we'll try to get along somewhere here.
Order submitted.
That's 68. So 62% is here. Let's try to grab that long. Come on. Come and touch me. It's sitting on this 20. I gotta push up here. And short now.
Order submitted.
Into here. If I yeah, didn't get that.
Order cancelled.
Let's get back.
Order submitted.
And try to get it along. Maybe we'll pass. We'll touch this 81.75. Just below 82%.
Order submitted.
Alright. So we got it. Let's see how deep we're gonna go on this. Okay. Need to hold this because that's definitely is gonna have a bounce at 100%. So
Order submitted.
we'll go deeper then. Yeah, okay, I'm buying it already here. I might try one more time.
Order submitted.
Full position. And now we should get a push. Initial push here. Yeah, somewhere here. So we'll grab that 4 points if we can get it. Okay.
Order submitted.
Even lower.
Order submitted.
It's actually a mistake. I should have waited for touch to the bottom, but okay, it's fine. Got some buyers coming in. somebody's pushing this already. To the downside. Let's lower our expectation. Expectation is that we should push somewhere here, the 20 moving average as a maximum at this point on this rotation, on that candle. Let's go. No. Push, 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 push. Alright, not gonna wait for
Order
that
filled.
half a tick. Okay. Alright, so let's wait for another trade. And this is definitely some sort of chop. It's the only trades from the top, shorting on grabbing below the open longs for a second leg. One leg, second leg. So they came down pretty deep. There was 50, this is 68. 62, this is 76%. Probably, yeah, almost 100% drop. A little bit weakening. This thing is a little bit weaker. Yeah, so definitely push into these longs, into this trap longs. Was a good thinking. I did drop my order here, but hasn't been filled. Well, let's see. Because now, if they build up volume here, they can push it even higher and try one more time. Microphone was turned off. What I was saying that Nasdaq got through the node, the empty node on the volume profile. ES took that shove and pushed into this empty node. And we have a little bit of volume here, trapped volume. It is pushing higher, but we'll see. I'm trying to be conservative with my trading. Wait for opportunity. Really wait for this opportunity, you know. So that was a good trade, even it wasn't perfect. But most of the times, traders will just buy that back. They will see it as a pullback. So also we got out I can't remember now. Should see this on the I think we got out somewhere. Yeah, we got out here. Yeah, we got out here. Yeah, we got a better push a little bit more on this. 2 points more, 2 or 3. Yeah, 2.5. That's okay. Volume is building a little bit. Delta is positive. We might get another push. Usually it takes 2 pushes into the highs and then can continue higher, breakout, or they will sell what they got at here into stop losses. So if we got a range here, these are here we have stop losses above the line. We have stop losses. And that's the technique they use actually to overcome trapped buyers or sellers, but in this case buyers. That we just build up more and more position here on both sides, shorts and longs, and then we push through this volume to trigger stop losses on the short side to accelerate to the buy side. So even the rest of those buyers who are trapped, they're just kind of gonna no, this move will be more neutral. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be as felt as a resistance because of this volume build up, volume here and the shorts plus new buying will push this market higher into another position, into another node of volume, which is at 4395. 4395 is where it starts. 400 more like 400, so 4400. Yeah, you can see this on the volume profile. A volume profile from the last couple of days. So yeah, 96. We could get a push to 4400. We'll see. Yes, this is still a buy. 6 more minutes. Still ranging. 3 minutes, 40 seconds on this candle. Okay, 12 seconds on this candle. So what do we see? We see a little bit of volume. Looks like they want to buy
Order submitted.
and take that to the top. Let's see if they're gonna make it now. A little bit of pushing. absorption here. A bit of weakness again. Back to absorption. Not many sellers. 22 contracts sold here, transacted. I think we have a chance to push this higher. Yeah, and Q is trying as well. Delta's kind of weak. Yeah. Not good. Not good. Okay, but they're back. In 1 minute, we touched, immediately bought. Delta is coming back up. Let's see if they're gonna make it this time. It's kind of second try. 248 seconds on this.
So according to media, Russia's Putin and China's President Xi are to meet on October 18th.
Okay.
This stream is sponsored by TickStrike. TickStrike allows you to actually hear order flow in futures, forex, and stock instruments. Get a free trial at tickstrike.com.
We're not gonna give it back. We're gonna make money, or we're gonna just get out, break even from this. One or the other. And if we drop, that's fine. Delta 400, that's nothing. I want to see something like 1,000 on this delta.
Order filled.
It's not doing it. So are we going to grab bottom first? It's possible to go and grab bottom. The stop losses below. Trend is up, so a bit of buying at 84, but selling as well. Aggressive selling. Okay. Let's wait. And this push into the top failed. Okay, let's see how 7 seconds. 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Yeah, okay. Indecision.
So US natural gas futures now are extending losses. Price is down by around 5%. And so more from this Interfax piece regarding Putin and China. China's President Xi, that is, says no oil and gas deals are expected to be signed during Putin's visit to China. And so again, just seeing some correlation there with some losses in natural gas. And in WTI as well, which is down around 1% on the session now.
There's this absorption. The absorption is holding. This level is holding as well. 1 minute. But I don't like the idea that they didn't push through when they had an opportunity. I think there's a huge probability now that we're going to drop, grab the liquidity, and immediately come back and then push higher. Wait for that. Or we're just going to drop, come back here, won't be able to push higher, and then we'll have a second leg down. Let me quickly switch this into ETH, electronic. Oops. That was overnight. It's overnight high, right? Yeah. This drop was kind of deep. With pre-5, this drop was here. Then grabbing liquidity and going down, go up. Okay, delta is falling. I think I'm gonna stop a short in here. Quick short. It's kind of risky because the trend is still up. But we have a possibility of dropping to 77.
Order
Let's just
submitted.
try. 1 minute. We do have stop losses. Here, somewhere here, 76. The question is, are we gonna go there? Oh, this is just first try and second try now. Yeah, I just bought it. I bought this candle.
Order filled. Order submit.
Let's go long.
Order submitted.
kind of chased at him. But I think this is the time to push through these stop losses. But I don't want to end until we go high.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Just take
Order
bit.
cancelled.
Protect this one, and let's see what's gonna happen now. Yeah, we got 1000 delta. That's a good thing. So they pulled the shorts, like me. I was shorting this. Now they're using these shorts and that short to push this higher, and then we have another bunch of shorts somewhere here. And there's a beautiful push. Very nice. And we're
Order
gonna
filled.
just take this. Take the profit. What is this? That's can't remember what was it. From RTH, definitely. Okay, so I shouldn't have that line. Now building volume 3500. So we got out here and we got out here, right? That's the place where they are building volume. So we got that push. Yeah, at the top of this range we have another trap longs here. Just basically, this is where they start to get out. And now was the question, was that enough for the upside? And now we can drop. Are we gonna continue? Delta looks decent. This was kind of small delta, you know, and that was alright. This anything above 1000 was kind of okay. This was minus 80. It's a lot of absorption here. This looks good. We'll push to the upside. They should struggle a bit here. I'm gonna remove this. Bring that bit here. Delta, shooting star, Delta. Get some stop losses bursting here on the short side. Okay, let's wait for the next trade, which could be a short. But how about 4,400? Pushing to 4,400. Definitely building volume above this. Above this level where it stops. All right.
So we're looking now to the crypto fear and greed index, which is currently at 47 out of 100, which indicates neutral, while the regular fear and greed index is 37 out of 100, which indicates a fear. So with this, just making note of the current position on the VIX as well. It's currently down around 8% on the session at around 17.73.
Pushing. All right.
So in the Mideast conflict, you're seeing Lebanon's Hezbollah as they have targeted 5 Israeli positions.
So we have further confirmation into the upside. I got trapped here. I thought they're gonna go down and grab this before we go up, but it's okay. We got
So
up here.
Nasdaq 100's up 1% now to session high, with the S&P up spot 9%.
97, 96. Delta still strong, pulling a little bit. Yeah, you could see on Friday. If you look at the Friday action, there was kind of buying going on here of these lows. No,
So just seeing now UK 10-year yields, they're rising 9 basis points on the day to around 4.483%. That there being the highest since October 10th. It does take us now to 10 minutes away from the bottom of the hour. We are expecting comments from Philadelphia Fed President Harker, who speaks on the economic outlook at the Mortgage Bankers Association annual convention and expo in Philadelphia. So a text is expected to be released from Fed's Harker in just under 10 minutes time now. Additionally, we also expect the results from the Bank of Canada Business Outlook survey.
That's pretty much Trapped longs here. That's the volume. Any kind of push into this will result with selling. These buyers will be getting out, but it's not a lot of them, to be honest. I have some buyers here, but this is from day before. That's Thursday, this is Friday. We do have some buyers here, trapped buyers, and they will be getting out. So let's wait for a nice push into this one more time. And we can short.
Washington Post reporting that the US are to ease sanctions on Venezuelan oil. Seeing some downside movement in WTI along with this headline. Again, Washington Post saying the US are to ease sanctions on Venezuelan oil.
$3,565, 1,001. Yeah, I think we can try to short this level.
Order submitted.
And try to get with a cheeky short. How much time do we have? 8 more minutes.
Order
Alright.
submitted.
All right. Let's try to grab a little bit on the short side. $96. It's half of my position. That's gonna be a quick grab.
So Brent crude now down by $1 a barrel following the WAPO report that the US is to ease sanctions on Venezuelan oil.
Okay. All right. 1 more minute. Nice selling. We are in the right place. Unfortunately, this is quite a big volume, so
We have posted the
It's
full
gone
WAPO piece
mild
on the
down
feed for
into
anybody
the floor.
interested regarding the US easing sanctions on Venezuelan oil.
it's just 2 points to grab. That's okay. Six more minutes to close the bracket. The ideal situation would be kind of rotate here, grab that, and then try to push again. So 93, it's even 93 is possible.
US
Okay.
Treasury Secretary Yellen currently speaking in Luxembourg. It says decoupling from China is not an option for the US or the EU. So again, Yellen was speaking here
Just
in
got some
Luxembourg
crazy
earlier.
move to
A
400.
comment still coming through from her, however. It does bring us now to 5 minutes away from the bottom of the hour, where we are expecting comments from Philadelphia Fed President Harker. Harker due to be speaking on the economic outlook with a text expected as well. Keep in mind at the bottom of the hour, I would also see the results of the Bank of Canada Business Outlook survey.
This stream is sponsored by To The Tick. Get free daily pivot points, Fibonacci, and market profile levels by signing up at tothetick.com.
Mhm. Yeah, here's a node of. Here's this absorption as well. But I'm thinking about this node here. Okay. Might go higher. Four more minutes on this candle.
According to Tel Aviv, Hamas armed wing says it fired a barrage of missiles on Jerusalem.
Yeah, let's see if we're gonna get a push to 4,400. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Good. Let's get the stop loss higher.
And U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen says the White House is preparing to supplemental requests from Ukraine aid and Israel as well, as soon as a functioning house is available.
Okay. Looks like I want to push before that 330. Should we get out from that one? We have an opportunity. A nice push. Yeah, let's get out. If we have an opportunity to get out, we can always re-enter it. Two more minutes. One more minute on this candle.
So 1 minute now to expect the text release from Fed's Harker and the release of the Bank of Canada Business Outlook survey.
There's a pullback as due, even if we push higher, to come back to 4,400. It's definitely an option at some point. I'm just hoping we're not going to push in a straight line to the top, but you never know. They might do that.
So your stocks extending gains here. That's the S&P now up by 1%.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
seeing the comments coming through from
the
Fed's Harker
breakout.
as he reiterates the US central bank's very likely done with rate hikes.
selling.
Says the current interest rate environment is draining a housing market of new buyers. Fed's Harker says the lack of housing inventory is elevating prices and that higher rates help limit housing inventory. Repeats that the Fed should hold rates steady absent a turn in the data.
So good.
Also making note now of the Bank of Canada survey here, does note that 27% of firms think that it will take longer than 3 years to return to the Bank of Canada's 2% target, down from just 32% in Q2. And so before I carry on with this, just noting a little bit more strength in the S&P 500 and some weakness in the dollar following the text release from Fed's Harker there.
Continues to
Again, he did
push.
note that the Fed should hold rates steady absent a turn in the data. So back to the Bank of Canada survey, does add that recent indicators of future sales continue to moderate. A balance of opinions in Q3 was flat
And we are
compared to +8 that was seen in Q2. So Q3 Business Outlook survey notes that 1/3 of firms expect Canada to be in a recession over the next year, the same that was seen in Q2 as well. More than 70% of firms across the broad range of sectors say that higher interest rates are negatively affecting them. Also in this Bank of Canada survey, 53% of firms expect inflation to remain above 3% for the next 2 years. That is down from 64% that was seen in Q2, however. Also, around 80% of firms believe the effects of past monetary policy tightening on their businesses are far from over. And the survey says that firms' intentions to hire are below their historical averages. The firms report widespread easing in the intensity of labour shortages compared to Q3 of last year. Bank of Canada survey notes that consumers think that interest rates will go up over the next 12 months. And notes that 5-year ahead inflation have edged down to 2.7% from 2.89%. So again, that's expectations for 5-year ahead inflation, edging down from Q2. Also notes that Q3 survey on consumer expectations shows that 55% of Canadians expect a recession next year, again up from 50% in Q2.
Yeah, I think they're gonna squeeze me even higher. Oof. Okay.
Also just seeing a text release from Bank of England's Deputy Governor Woods does say that the Bank of England is considering changes to how it supervises branches of foreign banks. Woods says that he's
Incredible
fully committed
squeeze.
to having a foreign bank branches in Britain, rules out fundamental reforms.
This candle has got 10 points. Let's go
Order
fucking
order
short of this
submitted.
thing and see. Not gonna give us much. Let's pull back. We'll take anything we can. Really a bit of absorption. Alright.
Order filled.
I took a little bit of loss back. Just minus 54 on the day. That's alright. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Let's measure this leg. Yeah. Looks like they went even higher than they should. That's alright. I didn't expect such a bump. Although this was an ideal position. Should have got out when I had an opportunity. But it's okay. Are we gonna go 10 again?
Order submitted.
If we can grab. Because I think. Okay. I mean, there is a possibility we may go up there.
US Treasury Secretary Yellen says, I'm seeking alignment with the EU on outbound China investments.
Order
Let's
canceled.
just wait. See what Delta's doing. Yeah, so that push, we got out of here, we got out of here. Should have kept that. Should have kept that. That's alright. Next time.
This stream is sponsored by TickStrike. TickStrike allows you to actually hear order flow in futures, forex, and stock instruments. Get a free trial at tickstrike.com.
So even on a push like this, there will be some sort of rotation. It has to be building volume here of some sorts. And to break it to the downside or break it to the upside, one way or the other. Let's just see where is. Okay, so this move start here. Might go long of the 23.
Order
We can go lower. Okay, just leave it.
The UK's PM Sunak confirming that the UK is not engaging in fighting or offensives in Gaza.
It's even here. That's the first volume. That's the second volume. Yeah. 402, 400. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay. So looks like they want to push. Maybe now. Mm-hmm. Okay. Could just try to go and grab that volume and then try to push it again up. Yeah. I should try it. Yeah.
Order
Good.
submitted.
Okay, let's see. Let's see now what we're gonna get. So trend is up. Volume, it's holding this here. I think we can push high. Just need to hold this now. When they grab that, when they grab that, they should take it up here and sell it there. Now it's just gonna close this position if it gets there. To go over this volume now. Yeah, let's just leave it. Come on. All right.
Order filled.
Let's just take something. All right. Okay. Should still push into this area, but all right. So this is like kind of first. It's 15 minutes. Yeah, they will probably push it now. back into green. Yeah, we got trapped here. That was a bit crazy. I didn't expect they're just gonna push through this. I didn't expect they're gonna push through this. Not just like that. Yeah, but they decided to do it. So it's alright. Ideal situation would be if they just push this through that higher. Yeah. Into this probably. Yeah, so we got to this level. 1 point more. Still pushing. Ten more minutes. So this is uptrend. There's still at least 1 hour to lunch. Market can get to 418 and above. Let's try to get 1 more long.
Order submitted.
5 half position. This candle can just drop.
It's 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We get the EIA Winter Fuel Outlook webinar. The registration for which is on the website.
This stream is sponsored by To The Tick. Get free daily pivot points, Fibonacci, and market profile levels by signing up at tothetick.com.
We don't have these drop buyers anymore. But we have a volume here now. It's going to support us. 402. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's the volume.
Order cancelled.
Another rotation to downside. 5 more minutes, 9 minutes. Tempted. But I can do this. I can just push higher. And then the bracket will switch and they will push even higher. So I'm not going to show this in this place now. 25, still on the buy side, 1000. A little bit of absorption. Okay, we've got a little bit of selling coming in. Are they gonna go and grab this liquidity? 7 more minutes, 2 or 3 minutes here and up. That will give us 4 points if we want to short this, but it's risky. But at the same time, drop bars here. The rest of drop bars from okay. Absorption 54.
Order submitted.
Too late again, but let's see if we're gonna drop to grab that liquidity. We have to be fast.
At 11 a.m. Eastern Time, the EIA Winter Fuel Outlook webinar begins.
Go and
We have
grab
put
it.
the registration link on the feed for all those interested.
Go and grab it. Okay, not much buying.
Order submitted.
Right. Let's see. They go and grab the liquidity now. Usually got us 2 moves. We have to be very strange if they just start to push right now. 56. 4 minutes on this candle, grab liquidity, and then on the next one we can go up. Very conservative with this. This can go even below here. But I just want to take something on this move. I'm counter trading right now. Come on. Just to break the 20 moving average and drop here. 4. No, not yet. No, don't tell me you're gonna go now. No. Go and grab that liquidity. Unbelievable.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Delta only 60.
Shortly expecting the beginning of the EIA Winter Fuel Outlook webinar.
Incredible. 59. Okay. Looks like we're gonna get smashed. Mm-hmm. 12 seconds. Oh, yeah. They went up here. Oh, okay. How about now? How about we drop now? Jesus. Just got me one more time. Looks like they got me one more time. Just want to go up. Okay, maybe this is how they wanted to do it. Grab the stop losses and now pull this down. It's one of the possibilities. We'll see. Okay, that doesn't look too good for bulls at this point. Because market is kind of selling. Okay, pullback is due 76.15. That's 40 points. Maybe that's what they want to do now. Go and grab this liquidity. Finally. Before we push higher. Selling coming in. This can be violent to the downside. Because everybody's thinking long, long, long. And now we can just take this long off. Yeah, we're not gonna go high. Not gonna try to grab too much. Just want to get out from this. It's a bad trade. Pulling back here. Let's see. Okay. I'm not gonna add, I'm just gonna hold this. Have to go through this, but it's gonna be a problem.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order submitted.
Settings coming back a little bit. Okay, 3017 on the south side. Yeah, we should go down there at some point. Should have shorted this. I shorted this. It's just ridiculous. Ugh. I think the preferred thing would be to go and grab this liquidity before we push over yesterday high. First day's high. Let's grab. And then go up. First leg, second leg. Grab, grab, even here. And then can go. First it needs to break the 20. Over here. On 1 minute. Yeah. 50 moving averages here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're about to break at 20. Still buyers. But we're breaking now. Come on, break that. Yes. Let's go down. Let's go down. There we go. A 50 moving average. Let's go. Good. Come on. Come on, push lower. Ugh. 1 more minute on this candle, can't believe it. Don't tell me you're gonna take me up again. Oh shit. Push low and grab the liquidity, for fuck's sake. You know you want it. Yeah. Okay, they try twice.
Order filled. Liquidity is here. Down there. So, unless they want to. Order submitted.
Fed bids for 6-month bills total $4.4 billion, and Fed bids for 3-month bills total $4.8 billion.
Okay, let's try to grab it in here. Maybe they want to play this. No, it doesn't.
This stream is
like
sponsored
one
by
leg.
TickStrike.
What's
TickStrike
that?
allows you to
10.
actually hear order flow in futures, forex, and stock instruments. Get a free trial at tickstrike.com.
Push back to 10.
Order.
Alright, let's see. And now, if we drop lower. Yeah. I'm gonna just protect myself here this time. There we go. Yeah, they still need to take that liquidity is not there yet. If that was one leg, the second leg is 404. 404. I can just grab this here. Well, if they decide to go higher.
According to US sources, the US action is expected to involve issuing of revised US Treasury license on Venezuela oil sector. So that's about the US having reached an understanding with Venezuela for easing of sanctions dependent on Maduro following through on election announcements and commitments.
Order submitted.
I saw one more here if it comes back. Yeah. Coming to this liquidity now. That's the liquidity here.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Yeah. Just take it. $20.
Target.
Okay, got it.
At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US sells $75 billion in 3-month bills, prior high yield of 5.34% and a prior bid to cover of 2 to 79. And the US sells $68 billion in 6-month bills, prior high yield of 5.32% and a prior bid to cover of 2 to 79.
Okay, so they have liquidity. Let's see what they're gonna do now. They'll go lower. Oh. Bounce back. Got 10 more minutes on this bracket. Still have space to fall. Half a point really. But liquidity is taken. That it went below this. People had stop losses here. It's a pullback.
Order
Let's
submitted.
go long on that pullback. Gonna take me. Take me.
Order submitted.
Go slower. But if we go up, we'll test how we. Seven more minutes. By the time we should be at half. At 4:30 we should be up here. And possibly taking that oven, taking the high, pushing higher. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so they have this liquidity now. Should be heading into this position, to be honest.
Nigeria's budget minister says the
Let's see how this
Nigeria
candle
targets
close.
oil production of 1.78 million barrels per day
Closes
for
here.
2024 budget.
Somewhere here. And the other one, next one will come. And we're gonna re-enter here. I mean, we're gonna add her here. Into this. 24 seconds on this candle. I want this candle to close somewhere at the high. 7 seconds. No, they didn't close high.
At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US sells $75 billion in 3-month bills, prior high yield of 5.34%, and a
Order
prior bid
submitted.
cover of 2 to 79. And the US sells $68 billion in 6-month bills, prior high yield of 5.32%, and a prior bid cover of 2 to 79.
I'm gonna add into this absorption. Delta's kind of weak. This is 5 more minutes on this bracket. We might dip one more time, then go. This is still pullback. I consider this as a pullback. like a push above this candle, close above it, and then we're gonna attack the highs. We might add somewhere here. Yeah, it would be nice to push through this. Yeah, so that's the pattern. Push, come back, push even higher. I was hoping for that drop somewhere here. And then come and grab liquidity. Sometimes they just grab liquidity earlier. Okay. Breaking through. Let's see if we're gonna get continuation on this.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
I'm gonna be adding into this. Delta is coming back. Up. Let's hold this now. We don't want to give it back, but unfortunately we are above this volume. This can come back to that volume. But it shouldn't go back below this candle. One more minute. I'm not going to add
Shortly
price
expecting the
across.
results of the 3 and 6 month bill auctions. I'll lead with the 3-month bill high yield.
Absorption. Buying coming in. 10 more seconds. Let's go. Come on.
Binance says from the 16th of October 2023 at 5 p.m. UK time, Binance will stop accepting new UK users.
Let's just hold this for a while.
This stream is sponsored by To The Tick. Get free daily pivot points, Fibonacci, and market profile levels by signing up at tothetick.com.
No. Oh, big delta. Very small delta. be honest. This candle should be like this candle. Do you really want to go up?
Five spot 34%, 5.34% bid to cover ratio, 3 to 16, 3 to 16.
Not good.
The US sells $80 billion in 3-month bills and awards 54.14% of bids at high. 6-month bid to cover ratio, 2 to 91, 2 to 91. High yield, 5.335%, 5.335%. The US sells $72 billion in 6-month bills and awards 85.47% of bids
Order
at high.
submitted. Order submitted.
I'm signing this.
Order cancelled.
Aye. Okay, so they can go and grab this liquid one more time. Four, 5.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
If they trick me now, like last time, I think they tricked me. Yeah,
Order filled. Order submitted.
back to buying. And then I use this short now to prepare a move. Yeah, tricky trading. Very tricky. Not good, not good, not good.
Order filled.
Not good. We just need to catch a nice move. Nice move to the upside or downside. It's just that's what you're trying to do. Okay. Selling resuming. Now they grab the stop losses. This is where we had stop losses. You can see how that works. 900 delta. %. Is right. Just wait. This is one leg, second leg could be even lower there.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hello. Come back on the last 30 seconds on the scandal. Ay, 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 ay. Nah, it's not looking too good. Okay,
Order
yeah.
filled. Order submitted.
Are we pushing low? And 38%.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, let's get back. That long. There's absorption. 1,700. I know. I know it closed here, but let's grab something. Back to 405.
Order submitted.
Fucking buy
Order
something.
submitted. Order submitted.
Let's just buy something. Let's see. Let's go. somewhere here.
Stop filled.
Fucking hell. Okay, stop losses went down. Dropping.
Order
So
submitted.
getting there.
Order submitted.
I know Delta is fucking dropping, but possible bounce of this level. Okay, Delta is reversing. Nasdaq. Okay, so the question is just not to get trapped into this. You know, now I need a big move. Because that's always a trader's trap. You took a couple of losses and now you're looking for a big fucking swing. And yeah, well, move up here would be decent. I want you to get it. Okay, let's just quickly measure. One leg, second leg. Right, so push even up here is possible. 404. But not on the first initial push. Probably not on the first. So far we gain nothing. Thirty-two percent. 32% push to 405 would be a good push. Oh, yeah. Okay. Everything I do today is kind of problematic. The problem is that this can accelerate into the downside if we don't get a bounce.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Should fucking go earlier than that. This is what I should have added, sure. But I'm just gonna hold this now. So I think we fall quite decent amount. We can drop lower. It's 50%, 62%. This is fucking good. Okay, every decision I'm making is wrong. So far. Delta's kind of coming back now. Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Again, bought it in the wrong place. That's okay. That's not okay. But checking
Order
the box.
submitted.
Let's see how far we push.
Order filled.
Grab something. Still trend to the downside. Push up here, it's possible. But I'm not sure if it's possible on this move. Okay. 51. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Looks like it's holding. They can do. So how did we get into problem. Okay, here was this. We were shorting this. It was good. This is why we got into trouble. This is why we got into trouble. Okay, a bit of selling again.
Order submitted.
Let's just resume selling. Let's see what we're gonna get. Mm-mm-mm. It's holding here. $96.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, I'm just gonna play with the trend. Trend just started into the downside, so it's 5 more minutes. Yeah. Let's see if we can drop lower. I see there's a pullback. Data is coming back.
Order filled.
No.
Order
Let's go
submitted.
long. Let's go long. Let's see. If we get a second leg up. One leg, second up. Just 7.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Maybe this time. Four six POC.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see. They don't want to buy it. Coming to sell more. Are you gonna push this up or not? Oh shit. No. Okay, grab that liquidity. Now maybe push up. Give me something. $5 o'clock. So 5, yeah. Another 5.
Order submitted.
Don't allow this to take you out. Come on. God, I fucking hate this. Push into this. One more time. Not doing it. Fuck. Out.
Order filled.
Not interested in this thing. Bad day. So far.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see after they took that.
Order submitted.
How about we push now? Let's go. Come on, push. Looks decent. Fuck. 20 moving average in 1 minute. But I should take that. We get a little bit of delta. No. Nah. It's the resistance here. Every single time I get into trade. Initially in profit and then it's then it's this crap. Try one more time. I think oh, perhaps no.
Order submitted.
Right away somebody comes in. This sells. somebody aggressively selling that bit. Let's hope we're just gonna push through that. Push through the 20. Push higher.
Order canceled.
Good. So
Order filled.
let's skip 5. Let's ride that. See how far we can go. Let's push. Yeah, somewhere here. Pretty much.
Order filled.
This is a good place to short that thing now again.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Looks weak. Delta's jumping. I think they just went up there. Are we gonna drop now? I think it's ready for a drop. If we're just gonna break that, should go to the bottom. Okay,
Order submitted.
I'm heading into that because this could be the trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Just drop. Yeah. have very, very big problem to go higher. Immediately reversed. Let's just take 10 off here.
Order cancelled.
Good. Gonna take 5 here.
Order submitted.
Even take it somewhere here. Hmm. 14 past. Let's just hold this. Can go to 50. Never in a straight line, but okay. Somebody's buying this. For fuck's sake. What are we doing? Hold this. Hold. Should we hold this? Take 5. Let's
Order
take
filled.
5. If we go higher. What will we enter?
Order
I'm
cancelled.
just gonna hold this 5.
Order submitted.
And if we bounce to this level, I'm gonna end.
Order
Okay.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Back in 20 contracts. And now drop to the bottom. I'll take 10.
Order submitted. It was just first leg up. Now lower and second leg up.
Unless they really want to push higher. Basically push through the stop losses and then come back down. That's also a possibility. Could do that. Building volume here. I should just pull down here in the last minute. Trap more longs. Pull it down into here. Finish here. That would be ideal. And then another one will resume and will go lower. Okay. Just drop. Kind of holding here. Let's see. They have space if they want to go lower. Okay, drop.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Don't allow this to take you out.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Just dump it. Come on, dump it. Don't come back. Ay, 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 ay. Damn it. Delta is kind of coming back now. I'm gonna close.
Order filled.
I will close that. So we're down. That's wrong. It's more like 130. I think. Just gonna leave this for a while. They tried. Pushed once, second time. 24 right now. It's kind of looks like cup. It might push higher. They've been gathering this data for this volume for a while. I don't know. I think let's just wait. So they pushed here. They didn't drop lower. Kind of buying, selling. This is lunch in USA. New York time now. 12:29. That's not good. To take any position. Not to take any position. It's time. Day. Just ranging. It's fine. Teraz to stronę, co też. Niestety. Jest. Teraz. Będzie wybrani. Oni po prostu pchną to. Well, telefonie. Oh, okej. Giełda. Ogólnie to już poszło. Na razie. Co zrobię? Hello? Hey man, you just called me. Hey. I'm alright, I'm back in London. Not for how long, but I just arrived a month ago. It was nice. Yeah. It was nice. Not easy. You working somewhere, or are you doing your own thing now? Ah, so you're just doing your own thing, like. No. I just went to Buckingham the other day to show them picture how I wanted them to cut me. Jesus man, they just cut me so short. Well, now it's kind of growing big a little bit, but I don't know what the guy was doing. Yeah, anyway. Uh-huh. You live in Liverpool? Ah. How is it there? Yeah. Same shit, how's weather? Yeah. It was pretty nice. The last week. Last weekend was like plus 25 or something. So good, man. It was, amazing weather. The wind came and the weather just flipped. And it's really cold now. Yeah? What's the... I do have a British yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Of course, no problem. I can do it. I know, everybody used that. It's so difficult to find something with a passport, yeah. Yeah, we will be at work at the moment or just be. Yeah, I can't remember how it was. Yeah, professional worker is like. I know. I think you need two people, right? One like. You just need one. I needed two people for British passport. From what I remember, I had two people, and one. Ah, okay. So you already have citizenship. So it's just. So you did okay. So you didn't apply at the same time with the passport because you could do it. Right? Remember, like, no. Uh-huh. Ah, so maybe they change. Yeah, they change because in the past was could do it. You know. So check that because because maybe rules has changed a bit. What does it mean professional? Will I qualify? God, I'm not working. You need to be employed. Just unemployed. I'm actually trading, man. You know, Apex funding. You can get founded by like, yeah. So there's stocks there, Apex. So I do this like with Apex for the last 6 months. I don't know, man. I mean, I passed because you need to pass. First you need to pass this, and then once you pass it, then you have to trade for this 10 days and make money and enough money so you can withdraw. So I haven't done it yet. I have not traded for longer than 10 days. Yeah. So I'm trading now. I think it's third day. I'm like 1,300 up. So we'll see. I've got 7 more days. To check that I have to be employed. That's because if I'm just unemployed, I can do that for you, no problem. I can say I know you for years. We know each other for quite a long time. So not a problem. No. Just check if I am the appropriate person for this. So I'm a software developer. This is what my education is. I'm a software developer, right? Software developer. Yeah, so that's my education, but I do not work as a software developer for quite some time, man. Like over 2 years. I've been in Poland for 1 year. Oh yeah, I was in there. She's 5 years old now. No, she's 5. Don't ask me, man. Don't ask me, man. It just happens. This stuff happens. Very quick, I spent so much time in courts. It was fun, it was good. Yeah. Yeah, it was. I'm back. That was really, lots of stress for a long time. That's why I stopped working. I just told myself, okay, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to spend time with my daughter, just prepare myself to all the cases I had. We fight for it. So basically, I'm kind of, I would say, since last year, I took better, since last year, since last year, summer. So I started trading, I was trading before, but like from March I started trading. Jesus was right? No. Yeah, no, she's not here. She's in Brazil. But she will come. She will come and visit me in November. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, but you know what? It's okay. I'm glad that I've done what I have done before I got married, honestly. Because if I haven't done that in my life, but I'm glad. Exactly. I mean, I'm glad I bought this flat. I refurbished it. I was paying the mortgage. I paid off my mortgage. So I'm so happy that I'm in this position. I'm kind of basically like, fine. Yeah, I finished. Yeah, so I'm like, fuck it, at least it's okay. We always go back to Poland, to Venice, place. Actually, I'm thinking about it, but I'm waiting till my trading start to pick up. I don't know, man, because I will need money to live in Poland as well, right? And I have to pay all the monies. So, I need like monthly. If I live in Poland on my own, I need £1,000 because £300 gonna go to another like £200 gonna go to go and visit my daughter twice a month. So it's £500 just going. I need like 1,000 minimum to live. And I don't want to live with my parents. I'm fucking old. I have my own life. So if I rent this place, then I can probably pay on that. Which is good. My trading is gonna work better. Then it's great because you know how it is. If it works, you make fucking money. You make money. If you don't, then yeah. 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 Good. That's what you need to have, man. That's what you need to have. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So check with this we found a candidate. Because if I am not found so yeah, good man, I know him for a long time. All good kid. No problem at all. Yeah, man, of course. We have to help each other, man. That's what it is. Of course, man. Visit me if you're gonna be in London. If I'm gonna be still here. Do you come here from time to time? Probably not. Okay.